What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a violent turbo fan. Anyways, don't know how violent it is, but it says right here on the top, 18 plus, not for use by minors. All right, so if you are a parent, be sure that you don't let kids play with this, you guys. This is for the old adults. All right, so this fan is basically, well, if you're looking at this review, you probably already know what the fan is about. You just want to see the unboxing, but this fan is for like drying your car, if you want to blow leaves, if you want to blow snow off your car. Unfortunately, we don't have no snow to blow off, but we do have leaves and we do have water. So we're going to dry off the car after we done washing it. And basically, that's what it states right here. Multi-purpose. Long battery life. So they said this is 4,000 milliamps of battery life. So we will see how long that will last. All right. High performance LED lighting and so on and so on. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. Very excited for this unboxing. And if you want to know where it's made, there you go. Made in China. All right. So if you have any problem with that, unfortunately, most of your goods in your house is made in China. So you will have to get rid of everything in your household. All right. Anyways, here we go for the grand opening. All right. So we have Violent Turbofan right here. It has the user's manual. Not too much in the user's manual, but it's a good amount of stuff in here. It lets you know the air outlet, and obviously I post all of this stuff for y'all. I know y'all can't see this right now, but let's go ahead. Right here, we have the charger for it. And then you have the fan. So that's about it, you guys. Now this is like a big block. So this is not no small fan. Okay, so let's see if we have some juice. What is on? Let's see what is on. I'm gonna hold the button. Can I hold the button? Hold this button. So do we have power? Do we have power? Oh, on and off right here, right on the bottom. On. Oh, we had a little cool noise. Sound like Atari game noise. All right. Now you barely could see this, but this button right here is for the light. Now right here is pretty interesting. It has 15.7 volts. It says 0.0 amps, so it's not letting you know how much you're using yet. So let's go ahead and hit the button. All right, so level 1 is a pretty good amount of blow. Oh, okay, all right. So you see how my hand went back? Like it did that with the power of the fan. So 1, 2, 3. Oh. Wow, this thing is powerful. Okay, so right now we have 3 bars of battery. I'm gonna put it on the charger real quick. Right here it even says 18 plus, not for use by minors. So this thing must be very dangerous. Please keep all minors away. For what I see, they could actually stick their fingers somewhere where they're not supposed to be. So it's very open right here to let air in. So yeah, be very, very careful, you guys. All right. Now, with that being said, that's about it. Now I'm going to go ahead, charge it, wash the car real quick, and then let's get into some action. All right, you guys, we are here. Let me grab this. All right, so we wet the truck up a little bit. Now, as you can see, you see the beads here? It's been months, and I know this is off topic, but I use these beads for the waterless car wash repellent, and this has been pretty cool, you guys. Even cool to wipe off and everything, and you can see that this side is still treated. I will be doing the whole truck with that the car wash repellent. Anyways, that's blah, 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 blah. So I have the water there. I'm gonna do another rinse. All right, so we got another rinse in. and we have our fan right here. So with our fan, we are fully loaded with the battery. It tells you the amps, 12.7 volts. That's what it's reading right now. As you know, the first one here is the light, and this one is the fan. So we're gonna turn it on. And this is level 1, level 2, level 3. All right, you guys, so it's definitely drying the car, but not like super fast or anything, but it is drying the car. I guess the benefit for this is it's small, it's compact, it's pretty loud, so you may want to wear some earplugs as well. Once again, when they said don't let minors anywhere near this thing, remember this is wide open and the fan is right there. So if you stick your finger in there, they will probably lose their finger. So I would assure you, it says, please do not place your fingers, hair, ribbons, etc. near the air inlet and outlet. So you don't want your hand near none of these, the inlet or the outlet, you guys. All right, you guys, we are on our final review. All right, now I have the instructions right here so I can get this out to y'all the proper way. So with all your settings right here, you do have your battery voltage, you have your operating current, which is your current right there under the battery voltage. You have your turbo gear energy progress bar. So this is your energy progress bar right here. All right. And then you have your battery display. You have your light display right there. So it will indicate if your light is on and off. Here you have your rotating speed. So the numbers right here under the battery is your rotating speed. All right. The fan here, it lets you know what gear you in, and you will definitely know once you hit the button. You will know what gear you in. All right. And then I just discovered that there is a turbo gear. So if you hold the button, this thing goes mayhem, you guys. So I did it off camera. I'm ready to do it on camera. I wet the truck up again. We are going to go ahead and get right into it. I want to show y'all what turbo is like. All right. Throwing the directions on the floor. Got me an earplug, you guys. Well, 2. All right. My ears, even on level 3, my ears was like, my eardrums was crying, you guys. So definitely get some earplugs when you're using this machine. All right, here we go. So we got 1, 2, 3. Now you have to hold it. Wow. It's cleaning up quick. All right, it kicked back down. So that battery power right there, it lets you know. Oh, sorry, you guys. I was talking to y'all while I was off. So it keeps kicking off because the the power indicator lets you know when it's running out of juice since you're using so much power. All right. So I know you barely could see on the action camera, but the bar is filling back up. I'm going to use it again. You see, and it either kicks off or it goes back down to 1, and then you gotta let that power bar go back up right there. All right, so that is pretty interesting, and I guess that's so it don't overheat. So that is one very innovative thing that they have done with this product, you guys. So that way it don't overheat, because this thing, I can feel the heat on it right now. It's not a lot of heat, maybe it's the sun, but it's not a lot of heat though. So man, and it dried fast. Like, this is dry. That's insane. What, the rims, tires, rims. All right, everything is wet, and gotta wait for it to charge back up. All right, gotta wait for it to charge back up, but it is pretty much dry. Just a little bit of drops, but that's it. I mean, if you want to dry something quick, this is definitely the tool to get. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.